Okay, it's already 1 minute. This portion is just nice for 5 to 6 persons. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very delicious dish. It is sweet sour pineapple and mushrooms. I'll also add some tempeh. Let's get started. This dish is suitable if you have a guest to come over for lunch or dinner, or it is also suitable if you have a barbecue gathering or a potluck gathering. It is very easy to prepare. You only need some ingredients. Here I have prepared some mushrooms, about 100 gram of white button mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms you like. One ripe tomato and half carrot. I'm not going to use them all. And also a slice of ginger, onion, and a clove of garlic. I also prepare this. I think you guys know I like to have this as a stock in my fridge. You can go back to my previous video. I have shown you how to prepare this vegan meat. I also use 100 grams of tempeh. Some pineapple, I have shown you how to cut it. Only 1/8 of pineapple. We cut it into quarter, and then from the quarter we cut into half. So we use it only half of the quarter. And I'll use some cucumber for the color. I have leftover yellow and red paprika. Only use 1/5 of them. It is up to you. If you like more paprika, you can add some more, okay? And for the second group of ingredients, of course, we need some oil, and then some salt, pepper, some tomato sauce, a little sugar, and 100 milliliter of water, and some soy sauce. These ingredients are very easy and accessible everywhere. I believe they are available in your kitchen, okay? All right, friends. Here are all the ingredients. I have rinsed them and cut them into my preferred patterns. You are totally free to go for your preferred pattern or size, okay? And now let's go to the measurements. 100 grams of tempeh. You may replace it with tofu or any soya meat. 1 medium-sized red onions, a clove of garlic, 1 ripe tomato, medium size, a slice of ginger, a quarter or half size of small carrots, some dried shiitake mushrooms. I have toasted them with some soy sauce, and 100 grams of fresh button mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms you like. A quarter size of cucumber, half of a quarter of the pineapples, and some paprika, red and yellow. You may use the green paprika too, okay? Let's start cooking. Heat up pan. Pour in the oil after the pan is warm. We may drop in the onions and garlic. I like to go with chopsticks, easier for me. And now we can put in the ginger, a bit burner. Just now, I'm searching for my chopsticks, so it's a bit brown, doesn't matter. I'll throw away the burnt onions. Okay. Maybe I can replace them. I'll replace some. And then now we can drop in the mushroom and the carrot, the dried mushroom. Followed by the tempeh. And the button mushroom. We may sprinkle some salt. Soy sauce. Tomatoes. Now we can drop in tomato sauce or ketchup. 2 tablespoons, okay? Pepper. One teaspoon of sugar. And water. I think I'm going to add a little bit more water because the ingredients is quite a lot. About 120 milliliter of water. Paprika. Just cover for 1 minute. Okay, it's already 1 minute. Let's try it. That's nice. Switch off the heat and we can put all the remaining ingredients, pineapple and cucumber, because I don't want them to be too cooked. I want them fresh, okay? Because this is induction stove, so the cooking process is ongoing. So we have to put them the last, and they are in the pan for about 1 minute. It's done. Here we go. Serve it when it is still warm. It is very nice to have this dish with a bowl of warm steamed rice. Let's have a try. Mmm. Mmm. Truly delicious. They taste very fresh. Mmm. Let's try the paprika and the mushroom. Mmm. The pineapple. Mmm. Everything is nice. Try it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's cooking. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, okay? See you next time. Bye-bye.